Welcome to your weekly snapshot. This week, Samsung employees voiced their concerns about the Galaxy Fold5, Beats by Dre finally releases their Studio Pros, and Apple's currently planning to revive the iMac Pro. This week, Samsung will announce their Galaxy Fold5 and Flip5 folding phones with new gapless hinges, upgraded internals, and an official dust resistance rating. But according to reliable Samsung leaker Ice Universe, Samsung engineers who worked on the Galaxy Z Fold5 have complained internally about it being a boring upgrade. Supposedly they've even gone so far as to say it's not worthy of even being a Fold 4S, which raises some concerns about how big of an upgrade it will actually be. That being said, rumors are looking up for the Flip5, which received a lot of similar upgrades as the Fold 5, while also featuring a much larger cover screen than before to rival the Motorola Razr Plus and provide greater functionality. These phones will be released by July 26, and if you want to reserve it now, Samsung is offering a $50 reservation bonus. Beats recently released an updated version of their Studio 3 ANC headphones, featuring upgraded noise cancelling, a new transparency mode, updated earpads with more durability, 4 new colors, improved sound quality, 24-hour battery life with a 10-minute fast charge for 4 hours of battery, a USB-C port for charging and audio, lossless audio and EQ presets over USB-C, improved microphones, spatial audio with head tracking, and an updated semi-hard case. This should be a major upgrade to anyone who currently owns the Studio 3s and is looking for a good upgrade. If you want to pick them up for yourself, they're currently costing $350 in the US and £350 in the UK. Apple is currently working on a 32-inch iMac Pro to replace the original Intel-based model that was discontinued in 2021. This is expected to come with a mini LED display with 120Hz ProMotion and an M3 series processor. While not much else is known, renders portray the iMac Pro with black bezels versus white bezels on the current M1 iMac, and similar ports to the Mac Studio. This could end up coming out as early as 2024, but chances are it may end up coming later than that. Hope you liked this week's snapshot, and if you did, be sure to follow the show wherever you're listening from and tell me what interested you most in the comments. Also, you can find links to everything I mentioned in the show notes, plus a link to sign up for my newsletter for more weekly snapshots and other goodies straight to your inbox. Thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you next week. Adios.